In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pivot table in Notion. Whether you're organizing a complex project or just want to gain some insights into your data, transforming your Notion database into a pivot table style summary can make a world of difference. Let's dive into this process step by step, and you'll see how easy it is to get a clearer view of your information. To start off, first things first, we need to log into Notion. Go ahead and open the Notion app or visit their website to access your account. Once you're in, you're going to head straight to your database. This is the heart of where all your information lives, and it's important to ensure everything is set up correctly here before we begin creating that pivot table view. With your database open, direct your attention towards the settings icon. It's usually nestled around the top of your screen, and clicking it will open up a suite of customization options. From these, we'll be focusing on tweaking the layout to better suit our pivot table needs. The next step is crucial. You'll want to click on Layout in the menu. This will let you access different ways to view your data. Among these is Board View, and selecting this will serve as the foundation for creating a pivot table-like experience. Once you have switched to the Board View, it's time to organize your data. Look for the Group By option, which will allow you to categorize your data by a specific property, bringing that organized feel to your project. Here, you choose the select property you want to group by. This could be any category or label you've created in your database, and it's what will represent the different columns or sections in your board. And just like that, Notion will work its magic. Instantly, it'll display the total count of items within each group in your board view. This gives a concise, summarized presentation of your data, similar to what you'd expect from a pivot table in more traditional spreadsheet applications. It's a powerful way to focus on key data points without sifting through every single detail at once. By following these steps, you'll have transformed your Notion database into an insightful, organized layout that's easy to navigate, analyze, and act upon. Pivot tables, in this form, bring a tremendous amount of clarity and understanding to any collection of information. So there you have it, a simple and effective guide to giving your Notion database the pivot table treatment. I hope this helps you make the most of your data. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more videos for additional guides and tips on how to optimize your workflow in Notion.